How does the Instagram algorithm actually work? It's a question that's caused a lot of confusion since Instagram moved away from a chronological feed. In this video, I am going to show you how the Instagram algorithm works for feed posts, stories, the Explore page, IGTV videos, and Instagram Reels. Plus, discover the top tips to hack the Instagram algorithm so you can get more engagement for your business or brand. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful and interesting videos. If you have spent any time on Instagram, you will know that the algorithm can behave in mysterious ways. And with the mystery comes questions like, why is my Instagram engagement down? Why am I getting less likes on Instagram? Or, am I being shadow banned? Instagram admits they need to do a better job of explaining the Instagram algorithm, and in recent months have been more transparent via blog posts in the creator's Instagram account. One of the main misconceptions? That there is only one Instagram algorithm. According to Instagram, they use a variety of algorithms, classifiers, and processes, each with its own purpose. Keeping this in mind, once you understand how the elusive algorithms and processes actually work, you can tailor your content strategy to work alongside it. How the Instagram algorithm works for feed posts in 2021. There are 4 key factors that influence the Instagram algorithm for feed posts. Confirmed by Instagram themselves. 1. Information about the post. Is it a photo or a video? When was it posted? How many likes does it have? 2. Information about the poster. How interesting are they to you? Are they your friend? How often do people engage with their content? 3. Your activity. Do you tend to watch a lot of videos? What type of content do you typically engage with? 4. Your interaction history. Do you typically like or comment on the poster's posts? Based on this information, Instagram's algorithm calculates how likely someone is to interact with a post, known as a score of interest, which ultimately determines the order in which posts are displayed in their feed. But that's not all. They also take into consideration the likelihood of 5 important interactions. These key interactions help the algorithm determine feed ranking. 1. Time spent. Are you going to spend time on the post? 2. Like. How likely are you to like the post? 3. Comment. How likely are you to comment on the post? 4. Save. How likely are you to save the post? 5. Tap on profile. How likely are you to tap on the profile after seeing the post? The more likely you are to take an action, and the more heavily we weigh that action, the higher up you'll see the post. We add and remove signals and predictions over time, working to get better at surfacing what you are interested in, says Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram. The takeaway? If you create content that your community is likely to engage with, your posts will continue to be prioritized in their feeds. A small tip for you. Use analytics to see what content works and doesn't work, and how your community is engaging with your posts over time. What engagements are most important to the Instagram algorithm? Engagement is key, especially when it comes to the Instagram algorithm. But what are the most important metrics of engagement? As we covered, Instagram considers how likely you are to comment, like, save, or tap on a profile. Keeping this in mind, as you plan your content and captions, ask yourself these questions. Is this post likely to be liked or commented on? Is this a post someone would save and come back to? Does this post include a CTA, for example, click the link in my bio, that will prompt someone to tap on your profile? Creating content that will encourage this type of engagement can help you hack the Instagram algorithm for your benefit. And while it's not listed as a key indicator, it could also be worthwhile to optimize your content for shares. If people are sharing your content, it will reach even more eyes and increase engagement. How the Instagram algorithm works for Instagram stories in 2021. The Instagram algorithm works fairly similarly for Instagram stories as it does for the feed. Typically, Instagram stories that appear at the start of your feed are from accounts that you engage with the most. However, stories are designed to be binge-watched, so even if you're not right at the beginning of someone's stories feed, there's still a chance they'll swipe to your content. With this in mind, it's a good idea to consistently post to Instagram stories. By posting to Instagram stories more often, you have a better chance of reaching viewers as they browse their daily stories, and the more views you gain, the better your ranking will be. Fortunately, regularly posting to stories is easy. You can schedule Instagram stories with Facebook Creator Studio, so you never miss a chance to connect with your audience. How the Instagram algorithm works on the Explore page in 2021. Overall, the Explore page and the feed algorithm are quite similar. They both deliver content Instagram thinks you'll be most interested in based on your prior interactions. However, while your Instagram feed is made up of content from accounts you already follow, the Explore feed consists almost entirely of content from new accounts. According to Instagram, the most important actions that they predict in Explore include likes, saves, and shares. And the most important signals for the Explore page algorithm are: 1. Information about the post. How popular is a post? How much engagement does it get, and how quickly? If a lot of people are liking, commenting, sharing, and saving a post, it's a huge indicator for the Explore page's algorithm. 2. Your history of interacting with the person who posted. Have you interacted with this person or their content in the past, even if you don't follow them? 3. Your activity. What type of content do you usually like, save, or share? How do you interact with posts in Explore? 4. Information about the person who posted. How many people have interacted with this person in the past few weeks? The Explore page is constantly evolving, with new topic categories and advanced search functionalities being introduced all the time. For example, you can now search by keywords, as well as hashtags, to discover feeds of relevant content. This suggests that the Explore page algorithm also considers the actual visual content and words in your caption. Fortunately, getting your posts onto the Instagram Explore page isn't as hard as you might think. Remember, the Explore page algorithm is essentially trying to serve people the best and relevant content. So by continually sharing engaging content with strong captions and niche hashtags, you are optimizing your posts for Explore page potential. How the Instagram algorithm works for IGTV videos in 2021. For IGTV videos, the algorithm prioritizes content from the account you interact with the most, as well as the type of posts you typically engage with. Beyond the home feed, Instagram serves suggested IGTV videos in relevant Explore pages based on what Instagram thinks you will like. So how can you give your IGTV videos the best chance of being seen by new and existing audiences? The trick is to give them as much of a helping hand as possible. We recommend sharing a short preview to your Instagram feed, increasing initial exposure, and providing a positive signal to the algorithm. How the Instagram algorithm works for Instagram Reels in 2021. Knowing how to hack the Instagram Reels algorithm can be a huge advantage for anyone looking to grow on Instagram. According to Instagram, brands and creators should create reels that are entertaining, inspiring, or experimental and use creative tools like text, camera effects, or filters. You should also avoid posting Instagram reels that are low resolution, too blurry, or are visibly recycled from other apps. These types of reels will be deprioritized, meaning they will be less likely to appear on the Explore page and Instagram Reels tab. By following these tips, you will stand a better chance of hacking the Instagram algorithm and reaching new audiences. For an additional boost, I recommend sharing your Instagram Reels to your main feed, using several hashtags to increase discoverability, and including captions to make your content more accessible. Unfortunately, there's no surefire way to beat the Instagram algorithm in 2021. However, you can use the tips we have shared in this video to help you create content that will trigger Instagram's signals and key factors. If you create engaging feed posts, stories, IGTV videos, and reels, the Instagram algorithm will continue to serve your content to the right people. Being consistent and building a genuine relationship with your followers is the most powerful way to hack the Instagram algorithm, and it will work wonders for your brand too. I hope you liked this video. If you have any doubts, then please comment down below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful and interesting videos. Thank you, and have a nice day.